Slide the window open. Slide the window open. Straighten the carpet edges. Straighten the carpet edges. Tighten the bottle cap. Tighten the bottle cap. Shake the bottle before pouring. Shake the bottle before pouring. Scrape the crumbs off the table. Scrape the crumbs off the table. Rotate the fan blade slowly. Rotate the fan blade slowly. Align the books by their size. Align the books by their size. Tuck this sheet under the mattress. Tuck this sheet under the mattress. Dab it dry with a towel. Dab it dry with a towel. Rinse the cup thoroughly. Rinse the cup thoroughly. Peel the sticker off carefully. Peel the sticker off carefully. Brush the dust off the surface. Brush the dust off the surface. Twist the lid until it clicks. Twist the lid until it clicks. Untangle the wires. Untangle the wires. Flip the switch down. Flip the switch down. Level the frame on the wall. Level the frame on the wall. Drain the water completely. Drain the water completely. Wipe the smudges off the glass. Wipe the smudges off the glass. Snap the cover back on. Snap the cover back on. Sort the papers into piles. Sort the papers into piles. Shake the mat outside. Shake the mat outside. Press the wrinkles out. Press the wrinkles out. Pull the zipper all the way up. Pull the zipper all the way up. Stretch the cloth flat. Stretch the cloth flat. Scrub around the corners. Scrub around the corners. Pile the cushions evenly. Pile the cushions evenly. Pinch the edge and lift. Pile the cushions evenly. Fold the towel into thirds. Fold the towel into thirds. Press the button twice. Press the button twice. Swap the batteries. Swap the batteries. Clip the pages together. Clip the pages together. Slide the drawer shut softly. Slide the drawer shut softly. Tilt the bottle upright. Tilt the bottle upright. Crack the window a little. Crack the window a little. Hide the key under the mat. Hide the key under the mat. Tap the box gently. Tap the box gently. Blow the dust away. Blow the dust away. Roll the sleeves up. Roll the sleeves up. Adjust the volume slowly. Adjust the volume slowly. Spin the dial to the left. Spin the dial to the left. Wrap the cable neatly. Wrap the cable neatly. Set the timer for 10 minutes. Set the timer for 10 minutes. Scrape the label off. Scrape the label off. Stack the containers by shape. Stack the containers by shape. Seal the bag tight. Seal the bag tight. Flip the cushion over. Flip the cushion over. Push the curtain aside. Push the curtain aside. Air the room out. Air the room out. Anchor the corners down. Anchor the corners down.